Okay, I just want to take the time to show y'all how I pluck these green beans. Usually, I would use my scissors in the inside. Well, this is the previous years. I would use my scissors after I snap them off the vine. And see this unedible part here? Let me see if I get in closer. That little part there you can't eat. So then rather spending my time cutting this part off in the kitchen with scissors, I should go ahead and squeeze it like that with my thumb. Okay? That way there's no prep work involved. Once I get inside. Man, this is a lot of green beans. Wow, this is crazy. This is my third year. And right now I'm not even 20% in this thing. And I have so many beans already. Man, I'm gonna have, I know I got about at least 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds is actually done and ready to harvest. But this is gonna take me a long time. So I'm gonna grab as much as I can tonight, and then go and get back in the house because, like I said, it's getting late. Anyway, so I just want to show you all that. One more demonstration. We'll find one that y'all can easily see. Okay, here we go. Wait a minute. Now let's come to the. Okay, yeah, here we go. Big ones here. Bigger ones. You see these bigger ones here? See that part above the white, the flower? Can't eat that part. So take your thumb with your fingernail, thumbnail, and just press your thumbnail through the top of it, just like that. You can use scissors if you want to, but this method is easier for me right now. Anyway, so there's that. And anyway, so let me go and get back to work, and I'll holler at y'all later. All right, so I'm back in the house. I want to show y'all how many green beans I picked. This was only about, I'm gonna say probably maybe 1/3 of the green bean patch. Like I said, it was so many. So that's the secret, y'all. When you plant green beans, just put your beans, when you plant them in the ground, just put them about 2 or 3 inches apart. You want to crowd them, as they're crowded, they actually grow better. They thrive better with each other. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight. And yeah, so make sure the soil is very loose, and preferably high in nitrogen, which is just grass clippings. You don't want to go to the store and buy any chemicals. So anyway, we have so far almost 1.5 pounds. 1 pound 6 ounces. 1 pound 6 3/4 ounce. 1 pound 6 3/4 ounce. Almost 1.5 pounds, and that's only about 1/3 of what's ready right now. Another tip when it comes to harvesting green beans, you don't want to damage the plant or destroy the plant, because each plant is going to put out about 2 to 3 harvests, and that all depends on whether you damage it or not, or how well you actually treat the plant when you are actually taking the green beans off of it. So just be careful not to destroy too many leaves or too many branches on it. And if you don't, then you could get up to 3 harvests out of it. And once you get the second or third harvest, whatever, how many you come out with, you can go ahead and snatch them all up and go ahead and replant again. So within about 12 to 14 weeks, you can get, a lot of green beans. Just one round, pull them up, plant some more, do it again. So, and if you have a long summer, you can probably do that about 3 to 4 times, and being green beans at least half the year. So there y'all go. 1 pound 6 ounces, or almost 1 pound 7 ounces, which is only 1/3 of the harvest. So if I multiply this here, we have about what, 3, 4, about 4.5 pounds once I'm done with this first harvest. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all on the next video.